In this video, I will show you how to DM someone and send message to someone on Quora app. So I will show you how to do this. Just follow and watch this video till the end. Open Quora app like this first. And right now you have to go to the search bar. Click on the search icon and search for the person that you want to talk with or send message. For example, I'm searching for this person. Click on his profile and you will find here this bar. Go and click on ask. From here you can say a message, for example, hello, I don't know, and then click add. And you have to clarify why you want to send him message, for example, hello. And from here, guys, you can. That's all in this tutorial. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and